Smart College!
Hi everyone, I'm Miss Omsri from Faculty of Health Science, Smart College, and in this series, we will learn regarding how to use ergonomic chair properly at the office. Guys, you guys should know what is ergonomic chair because we are working at the office around like 7 to 8 hours per day. So, what will happen to our body structure? So that's why we need an ergonomic chair. When it comes to ergonomic chair, there must be a lumbar support, armrest and also leg comfortable, which can be adjustable. Before you sit comfortably, please check your armrest, your height of the chair and also the lumbar support. Ergonomic chair is a good and important facility in every office, and you guys already know how to use it and ensure that you use it properly. And what is the benefit? It's very simple. It will prevent a lot of backbone injuries and you will feel comfortable every time and you won't get tired easily. So, in a conclusion, that's all for today. Meet you all in next series regarding office. Hope you guys enjoy this series, and I'm Miss Omsri from Faculty of Health Science. Don't forget to enroll here in Faculty of Health Science. Be smart, be different. Bye.
Smart College!